Okay, Carter's new favorite thing is sweet potatoes. Mmm. Yay. Okay, 1 spoonful in, half spoonful out. Baby steps, right? Okay, you want to feed yourself? Is it too cold? Oh, I need the spoon back. Right, I got my own spoon. Yes, we're taking a bath shortly after this. Okay, whoa, not sure where that went. Oh, Lucy's gonna get it. Okay, Lucy likes sweet potatoes. How about some of mine? Carter? Oh. You've got your own spoon. You've got your own spoon. Okay, sweet potato on the eyelid. Yay! Ooh, that was a big spoonful in and it all stayed. Oh, no, it didn't. Uh-oh, what happened? You can have the spoon back. Okay, more. Oh, I'm not sure where the food went. Okay, open up. This is so gross, Carter. Another spoonful? Oh boy. Hope your shirt isn't permanently stained. I like that shirt. Okay, well, we're just a few minutes into what will no doubt be a very long ordeal, but it's pretty funny.